The National Weather Service in League City has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Montgomery County in southeastern Texas, central Liberty County in southeastern Texas, northeastern Harris County in southeastern Texas, until 1:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 12:37 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Plum Grove, Oregon, 8 miles northeast of Kingwood, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Plum Grove around 12:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Moss Hill and Tarkington Prairie. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.